What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Grim Runner. It's your boy Clef Macato. We back at it again with another video today. As you can see, we out in traffic. We cruising right now. This video was requested by a lot of individuals, whether it be people who are thinking about getting a Challenger or a Charger with a mid-muffler delete, or you already have one but you kind of, scared to get a mid-muffler delete because you're worried about the engine drone. So we're going to be talking about engine drone today. Now, first thing that I have to say in regards to that, you have to realize that cabin noise is a part of the game. You jumping into a high-power V8 engine, of course, is going to be cabin noise, especially once you start modifying the exhaust system, whether it be mid-muffler delete, whether it be straight piping it, whether it be some type of aftermarket exhaust system. Drone is going to come with the territory, but it's not unbearable. So my first question to you guys out there is, in a respectful way, not anything crazy like that. I just want to know, why does drone matter? Like, you have this high power car, what's the purpose, or why do you want the actual sound to be drowned out for the most part? Because, like I said, once again, you in a high-powered V8 engine, you in a performance car, you in a sports car, there is going to be some type of drone that comes with the territory. It's just like if you're going to be a basketball player or a football player, you're going to get injured. You're going to get fouled. It comes with the actual territory. So I'm going to just say it like this. When you get a mid-muffler delete on this actual car, the noise is not that bad. So right now we cruising. I'm sitting at about, I'm in between like 1,500 and 2,000 RPM. My bad, y'all. I'm trying to pay attention to the road too. But as you can see, we cruising right now. 2,000 RPM is not that bad. Now, at least to my knowledge, drone for the most part is the sound that you get when you kind of just, when you cruising, when you're not really punching or accelerating. And it's not that bad. I have sport mode engaged right now, and it's not unbearable. Now, if I were to turn my radio up, I wouldn't even be able to hear the actual engine sound. So now we kind of coming to a halt. I'm going to kind of cruise a little bit. We at 1,500 RPM on the dot. No drone. I mean, you hear it, but it's not that bad. So the whole point of this video is just to kind of give you guys a better understanding on, what the actual cabin noise sounds like. Now, once I get a little leeway, I'm going to just punch on it a little bit and kind of sit maybe above 2,500 RPM, just so you guys can kind of get to see what's going on. So now I have a little bit of wiggle room, slowly accelerating. See, I'm pretty sure you can hear the actual engine noise, but once again, it's not that bad. Now, let's go ahead and give it a little bit of gas, sitting on a little bit over 2,500 RPM, coming up on 3,000. It's not that bad. So, to answer the question, a mid-muffler delete will not give you crazy drone to where you have to be worried about, the actual sound. My bad, y'all. Still trying to get over this little allergy madness going on right now. But yeah, man, don't be scared. Just go ahead. If you feel that you want this modification, go for it. It's not unbearable at all, and I honestly think that is worth the actual mod with the sound that you get coming from just the mid-muffler delete for the most part. And of course, this is going to be exclusively for the ones that have the active exhaust, which I believe, which I'm just now finding out, at least to my understanding, I always thought it was on the 2018 and above, but somebody mentioned in the comments that I guess some of the 2015s or 2015 and up have active exhaust, but I don't know how true that is or not. But yeah, go ahead and get the mid-muffler delete, and don't worry about the actual engine drone. It's not that unbearable. Now I'm about to go ahead and bust this U-turn. I'm gonna kind of punch it a little bit. I don't think a drone applies to accelerating, because you're not gonna be driving like that all of the time. But even when you do it in that type of style, when you're accelerating extra hard, it's still not that bad. It's still not that bad at all. So go ahead and get that mid-muffler delete. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about engine drone. Love your Mopar or whatever kind of car you have. Love your Camaro V8, your Mustang V8. don't worry about drones. Just go ahead and get that modification. Go ahead and cruise. Go ahead and punch on it. Enjoy your car. Love your car. And, you know, just have fun, man. That's all it's about. You know, stop thinking, you know, so far into it, because I honestly feel there's no reason to, you know, want to have your engine sound drowned out. So I'm gonna give y'all a little bit now that I have a little bit of wiggle room on this road. So right now we at exactly 2,500, coming up on 3,000. We cruising. See, you can hear it, but it's not that bad, bro. It's not that bad. So we go wrap it up like that. I'm driving towards the sun right now. As y'all can see, it kind of got blown out a little bit, but we go wrap the video up like that. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go in and you smash the thumbs up button. Make sure you drop a comment. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I appreciate every single one of y'all. For those of y'all who do not know, we do have a new giveaway. Once we reach 5,000 subscribers on the channel, I'm going to be giving away either a roar pedal, or I'm going to let y'all pick what y'all want me to give away at $150 value. So we go do it like that. So once again, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, smash the thumbs up button. I appreciate y'all, and I'll be back with another one.